Hey guys, I'm back again. I wanted to share this with you. Before I sent it out, I made these 3 embellishments to send out and got them all packaged up. And these are what they look like. I'm sorry about the lighting. This is really bad lighting here for these. Making a glare. Let's see if I can zoom in for you. This one just says enjoy today with a flower and the little doily I cut out and butterflies and a heart, and then I backed it on this, made this little board, back it on, it's just stuck to that. And then this one says spread your wings, and it's got a little butterfly on the heart with a little doily and flowers. Oh, and there is some little netting that's on these too. And they're just stuck on this little board. There's some plastic on there, so they'll just pop right off. And then this one says, hello there, with a big butterfly. Some netting, doily, and a flower onto the heart. And then I just packaged it up real pretty in this packaging. So I wanted to share that with you. And if you like this, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it. Oh, and if you're not a if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. And comments are welcome, so please give me some comments. And thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye now.